Yo, what's good? It's your boy Bike with another video. Today we are going to be testing out this Huion tablet, and we're going to be using it with this, my cell phone. So we're going to see how well that this tablet works with the cell phone. Let's get into it. Now, if you don't know, I made a video a while back talking about just different options that you have as a digital artist. And one of those options was using your cell phone or replacing your computer with your cell phone. Tablets like Wacom, Huion, XP Pen has really made it possible within the last year or so that you can actually use an Android phone to replace your computer. And so I made this recommendation or this option, and so I just wanted to really test it out and see how well does it actually work. Is this a good option for wanting to get into digital art? So this tablet is the Huion Inspiroy h640p. Now I think they can do a little bit better with the names. Hey Huion, listen here, I can come up with better names than what y'all naming these tablets. Y'all need to have some type of catchy name or something that makes sense. Like, whatever, let's get into the review. So this tablet was about $40 on Amazon. The drawing space on this tablet is about 6 by 4 inches. And that is not the whole size of the tablet, but it is the space, the drawing space that you have to actually draw on the tablet. So the pen is a battery-free pen. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It comes with 8 replacement nibs, and it comes with a pen holder, which doesn't really do a good job of actually holding your pen. But it was $40, so I can't be that picky. But my thing is, if you put a pen holder inside of your product, it needs to hold the pen right. If it doesn't hold the pen right, then just don't put it in there. This thing comes with one connection, which is a micro USB connection, and it comes with the cable and everything like that. And for my cell phone, this is a Samsung Note 10 Plus. Now, in order for it to work with the tablet, you need a USB-C dongle, which is this right here. This is a USB-C dongle. And what you do, you just hook it up, bam, like that, and then you take the cable to the tablet, and then you just plug it in like so. Just plug it in like so. It's simple. Now let's talk about just the drawing experience. I think the tablet works very well. Accurate. It was more accurate than what I thought it would be. That being said, it was also very difficult to just adjust your drawing to, you're actually drawing on a phone. So it's kind of hard to kind of adjust to it right away. I believe if I did this more often, of course I would be able to at least draw a recognizable figure or something like that. But with that being said, I enjoyed myself. I really did enjoy myself drawing on it. It was very challenging. Although what y'all looking at right now looks like a 4th grader drew it, right? But I really did enjoy myself, and really that's about 80% of art is just drawing something, getting it out there, and enjoying yourself while you're doing it, having fun, creating and challenging yourself and doing things. So I believe that this is a viable option for beginner artists. Like I said before, if I would spend more time actually drawing on a graphics tablet, using my phone as a screen, I believe that I can get some nice some nice work. You know, I can produce some nice work if I just, you know, acclimate myself to that. But like I say, $40 for the tablet, and then you got the dongle that you need to pay for. That's around $10-15. I will have the link down in the description below for the tablet, the Huion tablet, and the dongle, the USB-C dongle that I have. But anyway, I hope y'all got some type of value out of this video today. If y'all did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at y'all next time. Believe that.
Sorry, I couldn't understand, but I may have a few recommendations. First, there's a skill called Samuel L. Jackson Celebrity Personality for Alexa. Say, try it, or hear next. Sorry, I couldn't understand, but I may have a few recommendations. First, there's a skill called Samuel L. Jackson Celebrity Personality for Alexa. Say, try it, or hear next.
Now, ain't nobody even say her name. Ain't nobody even say nothing remotely close to her name. She just want to talk.